Hello friends, Sharon from madpapercrush here, and I'm just coming to you today with a new digital that I have out in my shop. And I love this one because it is number one, vintage wallpaper, which I think is fantastic, but it is also has a holiday festive Christmas theme, although nothing in here is specifically Christmas-y. So you won't see, any holly or Christmas trees or any of that kind of stuff. But the feel of this wallpaper and the different colors and things, the reds, the greens, the whites, I thought all came together and made a nice, fun, festive kit for you to use in your journals or for scrapbooking or even for card making or Christmas tags even would be fun. So let me go through the pages and I will show you Festive Florals.